Good morning, chemistry second year, English medium. So unit is organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So topic is phenols. So in the previous class we discussed the preparation methods of phenols. Let's see the physical properties and the chemical properties of phenols. So first, in physical properties, there is first of all, here is boiling points. In general, the phenolic compounds, phenols are having higher boiling points when compared with similar molecular weight contained hydrocarbons, halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons and ethers because of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, then the phenolic compounds are having higher boiling points when compared with the similar molecular weight of hydrocarbons and halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons and ethers. The reason is what is the phenolic compounds can form the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. That's why in order to break the hydrogen bonding, in general they are having higher boiling points. You can observe the intermolecular hydrogen bonding in between two phenol molecules. Yes, this is the partial attraction force developed between hydrogen of one phenolic molecule and oxygen of another phenolic molecule. So because of the presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, here is phenolic compounds are having higher boiling points. Okay, then next one is solubility. In general, phenols are soluble in water due to the presence of hydrogen bonding with water. While increasing molecular weight of phenols decreases the solubility because hydrophobic character is increased. Yes, here is in general low molecular weight phenols. So simple phenol is soluble in water. So when molecular weight is increased, the phenolic compounds are not soluble in water. Reason is what? When the molecular weight is increased means what? Then is a aryl group molecular weight increases, then its hydrophobic character is increased. Suppose here is a phenol and beta naphthol. Phenol, okay, it can be soluble in water. Whereas here is beta naphthol, it is not at all soluble in water because beta naphthol is having high molecular weight. That's why the low molecular weight phenols are soluble in water because of the presence of hydrogen bonding with water. Yes, you can observe the hydrogen bonding with water. Here is this is a phenol molecule, simple phenol. This simple phenol can form the hydrogen bond with water molecule. That's why a phenol is soluble in water. So because of the presence of hydrogen bonding. Then let's see the chemical properties. Of phenols. So let's see the acidic character of phenols. So when compared with the alcohols, the phenols are more acidic. Phenols are considered as more acidic. Reason is what? Phenols can interact with the metals, highly active metals, and also here is interact with bases. Here is a base, that is aqueous sodium hydroxide. Then when phenol is treated with a sodium metal, then the sodium phenoxide salt is formed and the hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay, so based on the evolving of hydrogen gas, what happens? Yes, it is phenol is considered as acid. Reason, in general, the acids can interact with here is a metals and forms the here is a hydrogen gas. That is the basic property of acids. Okay, yes, this basic property of acid is exhibited by phenol. That's why the phenol is acid. Then yes, in addition to interaction with sodium metal, yes, it can interact with its hydroxide. Sodium is a sodium hydroxide, is a aqueous sodium hydroxide. Here is a aqueous sodium hydroxide. When phenol is treated with aqueous sodium hydroxide, then it can form the sodium phenoxide salt and a water molecule. Okay, yes, so based on the formation of salt and water is a neutralization reaction. It represents the neutralization reaction. Here is a acid is phenol, is a base is sodium hydroxide. Yes, this is happened in case of phenols. Whereas when you take the here is a alcohols, when you take the alcohols only can interact with is a highly active metals like sodium, then next one potassium, here is a aluminum. Whereas here is a they cannot interact, alcohols cannot interact with the sodium hydroxide. Okay, is a sodium hydroxide is a only here is a interact with here is a phenol only, but not alcohols cannot interact with the sodium hydroxide and cannot form the salt and water. It's a based on the reaction with the sodium hydroxide, then the phenols are stronger acids than here is a alcohols. Then next one, yes, how can we explain the acidity of here is a phenol is in general is when you observe the is a phenol structure, then here is a hydroxyl group is attached with the here is a sp2 carbon of a aromatic ring. Okay, so this is the hydroxyl group. So this hydroxyl group is attached with the sp2 carbon of aromatic ring. Okay, then so this because of the sp2 character, then next one it is attached with here is a aromatic ring now. So this aromatic ring is having electron withdrawing property. Okay, so due to this reason, yes, here is a electrons which are present on oxygen unshared electron pair. The unshared electron pair is attracted into the here is a aromatic ring. Okay, the unshared electron pair is involved in the resonance with the aromatic ring. So due to this reason, yes, here is a polarity is generated on the is a hydroxyl group. Then next one, what happens? Then here is a charge separation takes place. Is a electron pair, unshared electron pair involved in the resonance with the aromatic ring. Then is the oxygen gets the positive charge because it loses the here is a water. It has lost one pair of electrons. That's why here is it gets the positive charge. Then yes, aromatic ring gets the negative charge with respect to here is a ortho position. Okay, at ortho position is with respect to hydroxyl group, it is a 1,2 position. At ortho position, here is a electron density is increased. Then yes, again here is a electron density. Here is a high electron density involved in the resonance in aromatic ring. Then so what happens? Next one again here is a para position. Then next one is again here is a 1,2 position. Here is a 1,2 and a 1,4 positions gets the maximum electron density. Then so these are the resonating structures. So when you observe the resonating structures of a phenol, then charge separation is generated. Charge separation is observed in the phenolic ring. Then yes, next one after that, so this is the phenolic molecule. Yes, because of the sp2 carbon of aromatic ring, then yes, unshared electron pair involved in the resonance, charge separation takes place. Okay, so because of this reason, yes, here is a phenolic compound. Phenolic compound can lose the H plus ion. Phenolic compound can lose the H plus ion with the sodium hydroxide, and forms the sodium phenoxide salt. So acidity of phenols comparing with alcohols. In general, already we discussed here phenols are more acidic than alcohols and water. Then so let's see the comparison between phenols and alcohols in case of here is acidity. Then yes, when you observe here is alcohol can form the alkoxide ion, RO minus, alkoxide ion. Then the phenol can form the phenoxide ion. Then yes, so when you observe here is a structure of alkoxide, then the oxygen is having a negative charge. Then so the electron cloud, the negative charge is localized on only here is a oxygen in case of alcohols. Okay, whereas so when you take here is a phenoxide ion, the negative charge on oxygen is not localized, is completely delocalized. How? Yes, this can be explained by taking the resonating structures. Then is a phenoxide ion, this is a phenoxide ion. Then yes, here is a electron cloud involved in the resonance with the aromatic ring. Then what happens? Here is a ortho and a para positions. 1-2 position and 1-4 positions are getting a high electron density. Then is what happens from 1st to 5th structures, the electron cloud is completely delocalized in case of phenoxide ion. Whereas when you take the alkoxide, there is a electron cloud is completely localized on oxygen. That's why there is a phenoxide is more stable. Phenoxide ion, it is having here is a 5 resonating structures, more resonating structures having more stability. That's why phenoxide is more stable when compared with the alkoxide ion. That's why here is a phenol can give the here is a H plus ion and forms the phenoxide very easily. That's why here is a phenol can interact with not only highly active metals like sodium, potassium, aluminum, it can interact with aqueous sodium hydroxide. Then yes, so when you compare there is a phenoxide resonating structures with the phenolic structures, then the phenol, yes, resonating structures of phenol is like this. There is again here is a electron cloud, there is a electron cloud involved in the resonance with the aromatic ring and forms there is a resonating structures in phenol. But in phenol is a charge separation takes place. Here is a oxygen is having positive charge, then aromatic ring is having a negative charge. Charge separation is observed in phenol resonating structures. That's why when compared with here is a phenoxide ion, phenol is less stable. Phenoxide is more stable. So this is about acidity of phenols comparing with the alcohols.